Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here, and welcome to the latest Tabata workout. This time around, I've got a functional high-intensity interval training fat burning workout for you. So what we are going to do is 3 functional exercises. We're going to get you out of your normal movement pattern. So it's going to be a lot of fun, but also tough, and it's going to help you burn a lot of calories and a lot of fats. Now, for those people who don't know the workout structure, 3 exercises. We do all 3 exercises straight after each other, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. You then go for 6 rounds, workout all done. It's as simple as that, guys. And for those of you who don't know, these are the workouts that you can do in my free 21-day extreme home workout program called Tabata Mayhem. And you can sign up for that right now, no credit cards, no BS, at 6weeksixpack.com/Tabata. So if you're ready, warm up, press play, and then keep up. Let's go. So there you go, guys. Very simple, but a lot of fun. Make sure you warm up. You need to get used to these exercises. They are taking your body out of your normal movement patterns, but it's a lot of fun. It's functional. It's going to help you burn a lot of calories. So as I said before, if you're looking for a workout program where you can see these kind of workouts and how to use them over a 21-day period to get the best possible results, then go to 6weeksixpack.com/Tabata and sign up to my 100% free 21-day extreme home workout program, Tabata Mayhem. As always, guys, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.